Chapter 4, Section 86. Mahamate continues his inquiry into the nature of Buddhas. If all dharmas are transient, would this not also include those dharmas upon which Buddhahood is based? And if so, are Buddhas themselves not also momentary? The Buddha's teaching in this and other Mahayana sutras is that dharmas are not momentary because they do not exist in the first place. But this is only understood by someone at the 8th stage of the Bodhisattva path, someone who has attained the forbearance of non-arising. Section 87. This section does not so much explain the previous section as it does its last sentence. The deeper meaning of the Buddha's teaching of momentariness is no momentariness. The order of this and the next section was apparently confused at an early date, as Gunabhadra, Bodhiruchi, Shikshananda, and the Sanskrit all had the next section before this one. However, such an arrangement is clearly mistaken, and I have reverted to what I assume was the original order. There are also quite a few lines in this section that are handled differently by Bodhiruchi, Shikshananda, and the Sanskrit. I have only indicated the more significant differences. Section 88. As this sutra approaches its conclusion, the practices known as the 6 paramitas are also reviewed in the light of its unique teaching. The 6 paramitas include charity, morality, forbearance, vigor, meditation, and wisdom. The word paramita is often interpreted as the means for reaching the other shore, with this shore being that of samsara and the other shore being nirvana. Section 89. Mahamate poses a final series of questions concerning the nature of Buddhas and Buddhahood. Much like those concerning the metaphor of the sands of the Ganges, the Buddha's answers are meant to reveal the deeper meaning concerning what, on the surface, appear to be contradictions. Section 90. This section, on cultivating a vegetarian diet, follows from the foregoing and is not a haphazard addition. It is important to know how to live in this world of illusions, and the practice of avoiding the eating of meat became part of the Bodhisattva path advocated by Mahayana Buddhism. Thus, some commentators also view this section as a critique of the practices of Hinayana Buddhists, namely the Shravakas and Pratyeka Buddhas, who excused their eating of meat by claiming it was not proscribed by the precepts. Bodhiruchi's translation of the prose part of this section is 7 times as long, while Shikshananda's is 3 times as long, suggesting that this issue was more than a passing concern.